Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today plan is to install wireless charger pad where the ashtray is. I don't use the ashtray. Even when I was a smoker, I never smoked in the car. I just didn't like the after smell when you get in the car. So the plan is to remove this and then install this pad here where I have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It fits perfectly on top here. So I will show you how to do it. I'm missing the USB cable adapter, whatever you call it. It actually hooks up to a USB, and then it has a positive and negative cable, which I'm gonna hook up directly to the lighter. So every time I start the car, the wireless charger is gonna be on, so it makes it easier. Okay, so what I was talking about, I'm gonna cut this off, but once I get the other part, and I'm gonna hook this to a car, and because the ashtray I don't need no more, and the lighter I don't need it. So you take a T10. Alright guys, this is what I did. I don't know if you can see. Made a plate. So now when I put the charger in, you'll have enough of the edge so the phone doesn't fall off. This is gonna go through here, so you won't see this cable. What I've done is, let me show you. Okay. Okay, so what I've done is this piece is attached. You can separate this from this piece, okay? It's like this. So you had tabs right here and on this side. So you use a small flathead screwdriver, put it inside, twist it, kind of push it outwards, and this slides out, this piece. And this piece was here. Yeah, it was like this. So I cut that piece, as you can see, so it looks flat, because I don't need that. Now the piece I used, because see how it has the lip, so it made it a little bit perfect for this, is I had this laying around. This is the under tray. As you can see, I used quite a few pieces out of it for other stuff. So this goes under the car. It was too short, it wouldn't fit, and they didn't want to return it, so it was useless, and I wasn't gonna sell it to somebody, you know, because it doesn't fit. So came out handy. So this is this piece. Now I'm sure you can go to Home Depot or somewhere and find a piece similar, and cut it up. As you can see, don't worry about this. This should be flat, and then you can cut a little notch here so for the cable to get through. So now I cut it this way, because once you take it like this, you can slide it inside. As you can see, you turn around, it looks like he was there. So once you put this wireless charger in here. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of Gorilla Glue for now, because I can't find this two-side tape I had. Alright guys, so this is it. You plug this over here. This piece, but right now, I'm gonna just put it behind. All done. So now, let's test it out again when we start the car. But you put the phone like this, and there you go. As you can see, it's charging right here. The light, I don't know if you can see the light right here. Remove. Let's put it again. There you go. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit. Look, I push it, it doesn't move, and it doesn't move nowhere. It's like perfect fit. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do, like right here and on this side here, but for now I'll leave it like that till the other piece comes, so I can do everything together. I might put lightning or something, I don't know. I'll figure out something. I mean, it doesn't look that bad this way. I mean, take it off this. Okay. Alright, so that's how it looks. As you can see, and then you just put a phone, and there you go. See how it charges. Let's see. And that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.